Who's getting married?
We are.
Next week
Next week.
Next week. Yay. Before the big day, we are in
Lil.
Excited na ba kayo sa aming kasal? Kasi ako excited na. Next week na. Hi friends! Welcome back to another vlog. It's May 22 and today is my birthday. Thank you so much to my family and friends, my employers, the family of Mahal who greeted me. I am 27 years old today. Char, 3 years na lang. I will be 30. And let's enjoy the remaining years as 20s. And Mahal's gift for me is a ticket for Olivia Rodrigo's concert. Tapos, today, isasubmit din namin ang mga documents para sa kasal. Kasi ang kasal namin ay next week na. So, excited na ako. At gusto ko rin pumunta sa shopping street dito sa Brussels kasi birthday ko today. May excuse para magtigin-tigin ng mga kung ano-ano. So, ayun. Hinintay ko na lang si water bus dito sa labas ng bahay. Andito na kami sa municipality. Andito kami ngayon sa... How do you call this?
I don't know.
Kung saan kami ikakasal. Munisipyo. Magbisitahin namin. And papunta na kami sa Antwerp. Outfit check. Ako ay nakasuot ng black. Obviously, siya ay white. At susunduin namin si Cyril at Ranimi. Mga Filipinas din sila na nandito sa Brussels. At sasama sila sa amin sa Antwerp. See you! Nanonood pala ako ngayon ng Miss Universe. Hi friends! Welcome back to another vlog. Medyo matagal na rin since nakapag-vlog tayo at nag-request na nga si Sister Jane sa Instagram ng new vlog. Kaya ito, isasama ko kayo sa aming weekends. Pupunta kami ngayon first sa church dahil matagal na rin since nakapunta ako sa church. Pangalawa, pupunta kami sa Lille dahil next week na ang aming kasal. Tapos may mga beauty products, makeup akong hanapin kung available. At ang magbabayad ay ang tao dito sa gilid ko. Can you show your face? Siya ang magbabayad. Did you understand?
Kind of.
What did I say? What did I say?
I don't know.
Who's getting married?
We are.
Next week
Next week.
Next week.
Yes.
Yay.
First, it's going to be birthday gift part 2.
Birthday gift part 2 in Lille. Oh.
Yeah.
So blessed of me. See you later. We are inside Sephora and we are buying some makeup for the wedding. Hey, this ocean. Look.
Started filming. I know it is.
Oh, wait. This one is not really necessary. So we're chilling now with my ice matcha latte and Mahal has espresso.
Yes.
Or double shot.
No, just one.
Gosh, everything was so expensive in Sephora. Char. Everything that I chose. Welcome to Lille. I'm shy but don't hold my camera like that. I shouldn't be shy anymore. Cheers! Now we will go to the market.
Yes. Have a look.
Yes. Pang Lille. Your head like that.
Because you're so small.
Before the big day, we are in
Lille.
Lille. Wait. Here. Look at Sephora. Come, I'll show them Sephora. There's Sephora.
Miles Playground.
Miles Playground. It will cost you a lot of money. We're planning to eat somewhere, but it's not yet open, so we are inside Zara. I will try not to be tempted.
We will try.
Kapoy na ka?
A bit.
Kapoy na siya. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Zara Home. Mga sign of aging. How much is the bathrobe?
This one is
45. It's okay, no?
Yeah.
Kasi nagbabala kaming pumunta sa isang spa. Tapos, mas maganda kapag may dalang bathrobe. You prefer that, no?
I think I prefer the look of it, yes.
Sign of aging. Excited na ba kayo sa aming kasal? Kasi ako excited na. Next week na.
We are going to eat some dinner in Lille. And it's a restaurant called Bibimbap.
That's one of our favorite dishes.
Yes.
Merci beaucoup. Merci.
Denim, ça arrive, hein, je les ai lancés. Hein.
Okay, merci.
Est-ce que vous mangez avec des baguettes?
Oui, merci. Do you want chopsticks, man?
No, thank you.
No?
Une paire?
Use that because it can flush out things that are stuck in your nose.
Okay. Nag-stop lang kami sa isang pharmacy and then we're traveling back to
Artuyo.
our home. Ay, San Tuesday.
GGSS.
GGSS. Gagawa tayo ng Sephora haul. So, ito ay regalo pa rin ng isang water bus. At magagamit ko rin siya dahil ako na din gagawa ng makeup ko. So, before ang big day, magpa-practice si Margie ng ganyan-ganyan. Sa daw? Bumili ako ng Dior na foundation. Sana naman mag-fit siya sa skin type ko. Pero sabi ng sales lady sa Sephora, mag-fit daw to sa akin. So, we'll see. This is face and body foundation. Next ay itong Effortless Bronzer Stick ng Happy Why do I keep saying Happy Skin? So, pumunta kami sa Sephora, tapos tinanong ko yung sales lady. Sabi ko, may contour ba kayo na Happy Skin? I know now why I said Happy Skin because the shade of my blush from Rare Beauty is Happy. Naghahanap ako ng contour, pero bronzer man ito siya. Pero baka ito na daw. Sabi ng sales lady, ito na daw yun. Next ay itong Lash Clash Waterproof Mascara ng YSL. I like it as well, mahal, because if I will like this products and then I want to get one, no need to go to Sephora because YSL, Dior are available in Isipari.
That's good, yeah.
No?
Yeah, that's not something that's exclusive to
What?
to Sephora.
Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Meron din akong Precisely, my brow pencil. Galing sa Benefit. Hala! Naghanag mga nabalaan ni Margie, oy. Hair-like strokes daw. 12-hour wear waterproof. So, nabuslot good ang pitaka ni Uncle Waterbus because of me. And then, so kung merong pencil for the eyebrow, meron din tayong 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Ayan. So, kapag pupunta pala kayong Sephora, may Sephora, mahal.
Sorry, ma'am.
I'm doing haul. Pag pupunta pala kayong Sephora, may mga sales lady. Magtanong kayo sa sales lady kahit na gaano pa ka-busy ang Sephora. Dahil one time sa Paris, for the impulsive lang si Margie, hindi man lang nagtanong. O ayun, nakabili ako ng NARS na foundation na parang hindi siya super bet sa skin ko. Kahit mahal ang NARS. At itong Kiehl's Dermatology Solutions. Ano siya? Naghanap ako ng moisturizer na pwede na rin siyang primer. Na hindi ko na kailangan mag-primer. So, ito yung American brand daw ito siya. Nakikita ko ang name ng Kiehl's, ano bang pronunciation yan? Nakikita ko ito siya sa YouTube. Sa TikTok. Meron siyang 1.2 salicylic acid at anti-blemish treatment. So, for the hintay-hintay si Uncle Belgian doon sa ano. Dahil hindi ko pa birthday, sabi ko na kailangan mo akong i-treat sa Sephora. Sabi niya, oo. So, alam niya naman na magagastos siya. At ito, gusto ko sana ng Charlotte Tilbury na setting spray pero sold out na siya. At nag-ask ako kung ano ang magandang setting spray. Tapos sabi nila itong sa Benefit daw na setting spray. This is the Professional. Hala, Professional Super Setter. Long-lasting makeup setting sprays. Miaok. Ayan. Let's see kung long-lasting ba to. Fade-proof. Sana all. Tapos, Brazilian Crush. But say pronunciation ano eh. This one. Sa TikTok, ano po niya siya. This is famous. Sa Sephora. Basta, kani siya. Humot kani siya. This is perfume mist. And then, itong body cream. May mga pa-body cream. Sabi kay Water, ano lang ay pabili. Makeup. May mga pa-ganito pa siya. And may mga freebies. May anong freebies ha. Ito muna. Ang Foundation Pro. Sephora ang brand nito for foundation. Sephora ang brand nito. Ayan. Mahal nito. Almost 25 euros. Pero siya man ang nagbayad. So, lubos-lubosin na natin. And, tsara, merong free na pouch from Sephora. Ayan. From Sephora. Freebies from Lancome. Thank you so much, Malco, for this birthday treat.
You're welcome, Malco.
That I can really use for the wedding.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And click the notification bell.
And click the notification bell. See you on our wedding. Wow, see you. Don't forget to watch out for our wedding vlog.
Yeah.
We are practicing na gani for a trend on TikTok. 1, 2, 3, go. With a dialogue. 1, 2, 3, go.
As dialogue.
The dialogue, say 1, 2, 3, go.
I finally said yes.
Eugene!
Alright, I asked her.
And we live happily ever after. Drop everything now! Like this, now! And then transformation. Meet me in the pouring. Bye! Bago ko pala i-end ang vlog na to, may i-share ko sa inyo na ngayong Friday na ang kasal namin, pero ang mga singsing na aming binili ay hindi pa ready. Parang yung akin pwede nang makuha dahil wala nang i-adjust doon kasi fit talaga siya sa kamay, sa fingers ko. Ang kay Water, kailangan talaga siyang i-adjust. Hindi ko alam kung magiging available ba siya. Makukuha ba namin before ang kasal. Pero kung hindi, sabi ni Mahal, ihiram daw kami ng temporary na ring galing sa jewelry store. But I don't know if that's possible. So ako naman, naisip ko na, ano yun? Magpapakasal ka na walang singsing. Sige. Ayun lang. Sana dumating siya on time.